Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we're bringing you the top 5 free watch faces you can find in the Gear Manager store that is worthy of a download. Now, with that being said, these watch faces are subject to change, so you got to go download ASAP. Cool? With that, let's kick this review off with number 1, which is called Tina Black Gear 162. Very awesome looking watch face, very stylish. I'm giving 3 thumbs up in the door for this one. I'm loving it. Now, yes, it is a dress down watch face. It's not really what you would call dressy, but it's very nice and it is a conversation starter. This one is nice. Go download this one, people. I recommend you. All right, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice and it is free. Very surprised that it's free, people. So when you finish watching the video, make sure you go download this one ASAP. It's by Glance Watch Faces. The name of the watch face is called Glance ZeroN. It's a nice looking analog watch face. You get a few dials in all. In the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face was on for the Gears 3, the Galaxy Watch, and your Gear Sport. For the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different. Now, once the watch face is on, you are going to get a nice analog look / digital. Your digital time is at the top. I really like the lumen colors. I'm going to give the developer 3 thumbs up in the door for this one. I thought he put the work in. It definitely looks good for everyday watch face. And in this dial, you are going to get your steps. And here it is in the active, so if you need to get your calories burned, your step info, how long you walked, you can get all that info right there. And right down here, you'll get the date. And you can also tap into it and go into your calendar. And over here, you're going to get your battery percentage. So I thought this was really a good look by the developer. Now, to be free, again, I am very surprised. But if I tap right here, I can go into my settings, tweak my watch how I see fit. And if I tap right there, I can get my weather. And again, everybody's doing it. Single tap. I can also set up a shortcut, whether it be alarm, my calendar, my email, my reminder, find my phone. You get 2 of them in all. You tap right here. You can do the same thing. So free, again, I'm telling you people, I am very surprised. And you can customize the color of the rings that's going around. The dials. Looks really nice, stands out. Now, I wish that I could have changed the lumen color to kind of blend into the rings, but all in all, I still think it's an awesome looking watch face, and the 3 thumbs up, they stand. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is nice. It's called SamWatch Max 6 with GWD Cafe. Don't know what the cafe means, people, but there's a paid version of this one, which means that you get a little bit more customization. You're able to customize more colors. With this one, in spite of the fact that it doesn't have the features and functions, it's still an awesome looking digital watch face that we're going to review anyway. And it's worth it because it's free in the Gear Manager store. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look as if the watch face was on, which is not a bad look at all. At the top, you will get the day of the week. You come down, you will get your date. Also, you're going to get your step info, and you will get a nice big bold digital time. You get calories burned down at the bottom, and you will get your heart rate, people. So it's not interactive, so you can't tap on this, and it goes into the features and functions. It won't do that, but you can double tap, and you can change it from this red color to this plain black color. That's it. That's all. But I still think it's worth the download. Question is, do you? Let's check out watch face number 4. Now, this one is called Tearable Pun's Design Multicolor Watch Face. Very simple, very different, and also unique. In the AOD mode, you will get a nice digital time as well. But when the watch face is on, it's very colorful. It's not interactive. And yes, it is free in the Gear Manager store. You will get a nice big bold digital time along with the date. And it's going to give you all your step status info from your steps, your heart rate, your battery life. You're also going to get info on floors climbed as well. So I'm thinking for a fun watch face, everybody needs one. Gotta have one in your lineup, people. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you're gonna download this watch face. Last but not least, watch face number 5. A nice animated watch face called Animated Blue Numbers. I'm loving the look of this one. In the AOD mode, it looks just as good. The background is gonna be black and the numbers are gonna be blue as you see it when the watch face is on. But the animation is nice. I like it. It's fluid, it's not stuttering, it's not lagging or anything. Very nice looking watch face, especially considering that it's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And if I tap on the date, I can pull up, of course, my calendar. And if I tap right here on the 7, I can set an alarm. And the same thing, you hit on the 45, it's just going to bring up an opportunity to set the alarm. No other interactiveness with this watch face, but it still looks awesome. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up in the door. Very nice looking watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the top 5 free watch faces that you can find in the Gear Manager store. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.